December 12th, 2024, Facebook just did a post to me threatening a closure of my account. They claim 2 posts I did about following my seeing this news article. Meta donates $1 million to Donald Trump's inaugural fund, published in The Guardian, UK. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of other news coverage of this in other news agencies. That's The Guardian's American online edition. Facebook threatened to close my account for violating community standards because I called on other artists and whatever media of the arts to address Facebook and corporate parent media's complicity and profiteering from mass shooting terrorism attacks and the ongoing slaughter of American school children. After the mass shooting terrorism attack at Marjorie Stoneman High School in Parkland, Florida, I think it was mid-February 2018, the NRA and gun rights supporters gave Facebook, it was reported, $9 million in gun rights, mass shooting money. Just sickening. Recent news article in the last month reported that guns are now the leading cause of deaths of American school children, adolescents, and teens, surpassing, diseases, cancer, accidents, stormy weather, what have you. Just sickening.